Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Today we're going to be doing a little 4K video test with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Yes, with this massive tablet right here, we do have the ability to record at 4K 30 frames per second with the rear-facing camera and the front-facing cameras as well. And I know, you know, who the heck's gonna be out there recording tons of video with a massive tablet like this? I am that too. But no, you know what? I thought we'd just do it just for fun here on the channel to see how well the quality is when recording some 4K video on this right here. We'll be testing it out in the daytime and the nighttime because, you know, that's what we like to do here on the channel, is just have fun. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I also wanna mention that this whole entire video will be edited on the Tab S8 Ultra as well. But I'm really curious to see what's gonna happen, so let's go and get this 4K video test started. All right, so starting off with the front-facing camera, this is crazy. I got this huge screen right here to be able to see myself and what I'm recording with this selfie camera. And check this out, we also got ultra-wide angle lens. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, this just makes me want to use this tablet to record all my videos now when I'm vlogging or whatever. And I probably look like a crazy person because I got this huge tablet that I'm using to record this video footage right now. But it's all right, it's all right. This is a little video test that we're doing right here. 4K 30 frames per second. There is no 4K 60 frames per second. Again, this is the ultra wide angle lens. Let me take it back to the main lens right here. We'll switch back to the ultra wide right now when I show you what I'm about to show you right now. So check this out. So we got this huge Marilyn Monroe statue right here in the beautiful Palm Springs, California. You can probably see all of my imperfections on my face right now because of the lighting right now. It's crazy, but check this out right here. Let's go ahead and switch over to that lens. Boom. Look at that. It's so crazy how much I can see in this big screen right here. Like it's a little heavy, not gonna lie, because I'm holding it with one hand. I'm moving this hand around like crazy. So let me switch hands right here. There we go. This is nuts. People are looking at me like crazy, like why am I recording on this big tablet right here? But let's go ahead and check out stabilization. Let me move back to the right here, and then we'll go ahead and go into a nice jog here so we can check out stabilization. I'm probably gonna hold it with two hands so I don't drop it. Let's see, what do y'all think? Let's try it with one hand. Hopefully I don't drop it. Let's go into the ultra wide. Boom, ultra wide angle lens, as easy as that. What do y'all think about stabilization? Woo. All right, so this is 4K 30 with those front facing cameras, both the ultra wide and again, here's the main lens. Do a nice little pan around. What do y'all think? Let's go and switch it up to the rear-facing camera. All right, now real quick before we take it over to the rear-facing cameras, I actually wanted to try out this portrait video mode. What do you guys think? It's actually looking pretty good here on the screen. My goodness, let me get in the shade a little bit because the sun is super bright. See how it blurs out the background, but it's still keeping all of me in focus, especially when it comes to like my hair. Look at that, I can move my hair around and it still keeps all of that in focus. Pretty good. I'm sorry, I'm like tripping out right here just on this big screen. But yeah, see, if I continue walking around like this, it almost looks like I'm using a really good camera, you know, to give me that blur in the background, keep me in focus. Now with this, you can't use the ultra wide angle lens. Like I said, I am using the front facing camera, which, you know, also has an ultra wide angle lens. But yeah, this is what we're gonna get. This is that portrait video mode. What do y'all think? Man, this is cool. All right, now we'll go ahead and check out the rear facing cameras. Okay, so here's the rear facing camera at 4K 30 frames per second, just doing a nice steady walk here, checking out some of this graffiti art that we got here. My goodness, it is so nice recording on a big screen like this. I know it's not like, you know, super convenient or anything like that, but it's just nice to be able to see everything so much easier when you're recording. Let's get a close-up on here. Again, this is 4K 30 frames per second. Also on the rear facing camera, there is no option to record at 4K 60. It's all 4K 30 frames per second. Let me know what you think about stabilization. And also I am using the internal mics as well. So let me know what you think about the microphones as well, how it's picking up my voice. Got a little background sound going on. Got some music in the background. So let me know what y'all think about that. Let's check out stabilization with some jogging here. Let's go and jog this way. Here we are. What do y'all think? Let's get this little tower right here. There's people looking at me like I'm crazy right now. Like, why the heck is this guy recording with a tablet? Or what is he doing with this huge tablet in front of his face? It's funny, but gotta test out these cameras, you know? I gotta say, I don't know, looking at the screen here, it almost looks like the front-facing cameras perform a little bit better than the rear-facing cameras. I don't know, but y'all let me know. Y'all are the judges down in the comment sections below. Like I said, just recording on a big screen like this is nice. Now let's see if we can zoom in. Okay, I'm zooming in here to Marilyn Monroe. Okay, we can zoom in 8 times and it doesn't look like it wants to catch focus. So I'm gonna try to do tap to focus here. Let's see if that'll work. It's not working for me. It's getting a little bit windy as well. Let's see if I zoom out a little bit. Let's see. That's 4 times zoom. Yeah, so if you zoom in, it's not gonna look the best, and it's probably not gonna focus the best either. Beautiful mountains, beautiful palm trees everywhere. Again, 4K 30 frames per second on the rear facing cameras. Let's check out some night footage. All right, so I know who the heck is gonna be recording at night on a massive tablet like this, but you know what? We're doing it for fun, and that's what we like to do here on the channel, is just, you know, have fun. That's exactly what we're doing today. So here we go, some night footage, starting off with the front facing camera, the main lens right here. I absolutely love this big screen. Now, we're probably not going to get the best quality out of these front cameras here at night. I mean, it does look a little bit grainy here, and then of course we can switch it up. Ultra wide angle lens. Look at how wide that gets. This is amazing. So let me go ahead and just walk a little bit here. Again, the ultra wide angle lens, looking good, looking good. Do I got anybody behind me? I can use this as a mirror to look behind me. See if I got anybody sneaking up on me. Back into the main lens. Look at this. Recording at night on my huge, massive tablet. You know, we do got a couple people around here, so people are probably gonna be looking at me, you know, a little bit weird, but that's okay, that's okay. We're just having fun here for the channel. Let's go out to the street right here. Let's check out the street, let's see what this looks like. Got some cars back there. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and go back ultra wide. Boom, I love that. Love how ultra wide this is. Main lens again. Do a little bit more walking here. What do y'all think? Front facing camera at 4K, 30 frames per second. Whew, I'm gonna have to start using 2 hands. It does get a little bit heavy, so let me go and switch hands. I'm really hoping I don't drop this tablet. But what do you guys think about vlogging on a big tablet like this? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Let's go and switch it up to the rear facing cameras. All right, so switching it up to the rear facing camera here, again, 4K 30 frames per second. Now the bummer with recording at 4K 30 on the rear facing camera is that ultra wide angle lens is not available. Now if you switch to 1080p, you do have the ability to use that ultra wide angle lens. So unfortunately, when recording at 4K 30, nope, that is not an option. Let's get a close up here. Let's go and start walking down this way. Although I would say the view still looks pretty wide. To me, it does look wide enough. I don't know if it has to do with this big screen, maybe because the screen just looks so big, it just makes everything look wider. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the street over here where it's a little bit darker, not too much light around, except for the light in the trees. Got the intersection over there. Got this car coming up. Let's see how well we can catch this car driving by. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let's go and make our way back onto the sidewalk. I don't want to get run over by a car or anything like that. Such a beautiful night tonight, I gotta say. It is beautiful. It's a little warm, I wouldn't say warm, but it's not cold. It's kind of in between. It's just a beautiful night. Look at all the palm trees right here. Try not to talk too much. I don't want y'all to get annoyed with my voice here. I know I can talk a bit much sometimes. As you can see, the lights do look a bit jittery, a little bit bouncy every time I take a step. And that's just kind of something to be expected when recording at night like this. I do notice that when doing a lot of my smartphone 4K video tests. Let's take a look at this fountain here. And there it is, 4K, 30 frames per second on the rear facing camera of the Tab S8 Ultra. Let me know what you think. Woo! So there you have it, a little 4K video test with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, this massive tablet right here. And I know, like I said, nobody's probably going to be recording. There's probably going to be nobody recording tons of video with this massive tablet out anywhere. I mean, who's going to want to be seeing like this the whole entire time? And your arm's going to get tired from doing it. But like I said, we like to have fun here on the channel, so it was all for fun. Like I said, y'all are the judges. Down in the comment section below, let me know what you think about the overall video quality when it comes to the rear-facing camera, the front-facing camera, and the overall sound quality as well when it comes to the microphones. Now, I know throughout the video I may have accidentally, covered the microphone with my hand because of the way I was holding the tablet. It's a little hard to kind of pay attention to that when you're recording, so you might have heard the audio kind of cut in and out, or maybe just record on one side compared to the other. But like I said, y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank y'all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come, because yes, I will have future videos coming with this device and many other devices as well. Hit that bell for notifications so you know when I'm about to upload them. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quiñones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.